morning, guys. April 19th, 2021. So I had a call from a lady I've done work for in the past. She said she just had a new washing machine put in. Now it's leaking. It's leaking where the hoses connect to the wall, she says. Continually dripping on the floor. So I don't know what that's about. You'd figure the guy that put the washing machine in would have fixed that. But no!
100 miles.
Oh man! Well, I guess I'll go by there and see what's going on with it. Maybe it's just a loose packing nut or something. Or maybe it needs a new valve. We'll see. We'll get it figured out.
Dartmouth.
She's really corroded. That's a lot. So I should be able to have that in the truck. I might be able to just change it right out. She's really crusty.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see what I can do. It should be the same one. Whoa, hello there, Miss Molly. I should do it.
You still have a dog with you?
I do, yeah. Man's best friend, you ever hear that?
I know. My son has two of them. He lives with us. And one of them was just diagnosed with cancer.
What kind of dogs?
One is there's...
Why don't you shut that dryer off for now, just to...
Yeah.
If you don't mind. Mine's a long-haired Chihuahua.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
So she
It's a she.
goes with you every day when you go out?
For the most part, yeah, sometimes. Sometimes she wants to stay home, but for the most part, she comes with me, yeah.
Because I remember you bringing a dog.
I had another one. I usually have a dog with me.
Yeah. They are your best friend.
Kinda.
They don't hold grudges.
No.
Oh,
Man's
wait.
best friend. You ever hear that saying?
Yep.
Pretty much it, no? See if I get this thing apart. If not, I'll have to just completely put a whole new... Probably gonna have to cut
how many
it.
years that's been there.
I'll probably have to cut it and put all new pieces in there, but
Been many, many years.
yeah, she's chooched. Yeah, look at that, it's falling apart. No good. I'll just have to cut it and put new adapters on there.
Okay.
And no way. Nope. Just cut it off. Just cut her off and put a new one in there. That's it, simple. She's crusty. She's a crusty one, Mr. Ranch. Crusty for sure. Yeehaw! Someone's got nuts on there. Compression nuts. Ain't that something? Ain't that sweet? That's even better.
The Goldsteins that built this area?
No. How's your brother?
He's good.
He had the shingles really bad, huh?
Yeah, very good.
They're kind of different with these nuts. I mean, you could do this, you could solder them right on too. It's the same thing, but might as well try these. Why not?
We had this washing machine deliver the spine, and when they reconnected it, that thing started leaking.
Believable, huh?
And rains it pours, right?
Kinda. So he's better now?
Yeah, I don't know if the eyes came back 100%.
Really?
I think he's got some slight problem. but-
Shingles. He had shingles in the flipping eyeballs.
Yeah,
That's something, huh?
yeah.
How the hell did that happen?
Who knows?
Playing around with the wrong girl, maybe, no?
No, he's... I don't think so.
I don't know what the hell. I think that just comes in. Everybody can get that shingle shit, huh?
Yeah. My father got it.
Usually get it when you get old and crusty, no?
Yeah, he got it. It was probably in his early 80s when he got it.
Now your mother, she was in her 90s and she was still doing well, wasn't she?
Yeah.
96 or some crazy thing?
Yeah, they both lived to be in the mid-90s.
Believable, huh?
Yeah.
Usually they don't come with these nuts. Usually they just come with, gotta solder them on, but we'll try it. What do we got to lose, right? What do you got to fear but fear itself? You ever hear that saying?
Yeah.
That was the old Alfred Hitchcock saying, wasn't it? The guy from across the pond there, what was his name?
Oh, Sherlock Holmes?
No, the guy from across the pond there.
Across the pond.
Some leader. All you got to fear is fear yourself. Fear itself.
Oh, you mean Churchill? Was it
Yeah,
Churchill?
that was it. That was it. Churchill. This thing's been around a while. These aren't new hoses. Just started leaking.
Yeah, as of this morning.
Yeah, it's not like the washing machine was installed yesterday. That's what your wife was saying. Just got installed. Probably got installed last year sometime because these hoses aren't new. You just had the washing machine put in?
Yeah, they didn't change the hoses.
Oh, okay.
Those were the hoses. The other machine was probably 10 years old.
You get the shot?
Yeah, both of them.
How'd you do with it?
All right. No problems. My wife had problems with the second shot.
Does she?
But after a couple of weeks,
Alright, I'm turning the water back on here and we'll see what happens. She was had problems for a couple of weeks.
yeah, she had some problems. She wasn't feeling.
Was she bitchy? Was she bitching at you?
No,
No.
well, never. She's not one to complain.
Well, that's good. That's the kind you want, right? You want. You want one to give you trouble. Alright, we're good. I'll just push the washer in and we'll be good to go. No leaks. I won't come with compression. These will tighten the packings up on there and we're good. I'll just slide it back in. And you want me to move this out of here?
Oh,
This container, you don't need it here no more. Valve right there. You can see the top's been taken off before.
yeah.
Is it backing up?
No, but it has in the past.
Well, then that check valve's got to be cleaned out, or the snit's got to be snaked. As long as it's not backing up now, you're good.
Yeah, no, it's not backing up now.
That's a check valve in case this line ever backs up. It doesn't overflow in the basement here. See it?
Yeah.
See that check valve there? But that's them. They don't always work. They get full of stuff and then they don't work, right?
Yeah, because you know the pipe here goes out to the kitchen sink too.
Right.
And I was just wondering, is there a better way to do this?
Not really. No. No, because that's the kitchen sink. That's not really even supposed to be tapped in there. Well, this is the kitchen sink here, and then that's the vent. I have no idea. This goes up here probably to the kitchen. I don't know where that one goes. That looks like that might be a vent, runs along. Why does it have a clean out? Yeah, that's a vent. That's a flat vent there, all the way. Yeah, so if this septic ever backs up, I mean, then you're going to get an overflow. That's why they got that check valve there. You know, usually they put it in there for a reason. You know what I'm saying? They don't put it in there just because they want to put an extra thing in there.
Yeah.
It's probably had an overflow issue, so they put that check valve in there. I'd leave it. I wouldn't take it out. This thing was really crusty. You want it for a souvenir?
Nope.
Your brother's into antiques, isn't he?
Yeah.
Well, maybe he could sell this sucker.
Well, you want to leave it, we'll just throw it in.
I'll throw in my scrap pile. Junk. No good. I'm just joking with you.